Welcome to Everyday Encouragement. Today we will discuss the advantages of getting outside and enjoying our most valuable resource we have, and that is nature. Fresh air, exercise, and natural wonders. There is no better way to rejuvenate your mind, body, and soul than by getting out in nature. It is an important part of being healthy. With our busy daily lives, sometimes it's easy to forget the wonder that awaits us just beyond our doorstep, whether it's a walk through the woods, a beautiful sunrise, or simply sitting under a tree in a park. Spending time in nature has countless benefits for our physical and mental wellness. The key is to disconnect from technology and embrace the natural world around you. We will explore how immersing yourself in nature can be so positive in numerous ways. Why should we make an effort to get out in nature? The answer lies in the inherent natural beauty that surrounds us. We really are so lucky to have so much to take advantage of outdoors. First of all, being surrounded by nature's serenity can reduce stress levels and promote relaxation. The peacefulness of nature provides a much-needed escape from our fast-paced, technology-driven lives. If you take the time to tune into what is in your surrounding world, it is quite amazing. A refreshing breeze, birds singing, and memorizing sunsets are only a sample of what the outdoors gives us. Nature offers us a break from the busiest of daily life, allowing us to slow down, enjoy some fresh air, and appreciate the wonders of our natural world. Nature has a remarkable ability to improve overall mental well-being. Studies have shown that spending time outdoors can lower cortisol levels, the stress hormone, and increase serotonin production, the happiness hormone. It is a great way to refresh our mind, body, and souls. Research shows that exposure to nature improves cognitive function, boosts creativity, and enhances mood. It is also linked to lower blood pressure and improved immune system function. Nature also provides an opportunity for vitamin D absorption from sunlight exposure, which is essential for our health. Spending time outdoors can enhance creativity, improve focus and concentration, and even elevate mood and self-esteem. Nature acts as a natural stress reliever and promotes mental clarity. It provides an escape from the pressures of everyday life and allows us to recharge our batteries, and best of all, it is free to all of us. Additionally, spending time outdoors also allows us to engage in physical activity. Whether it's sports, outdoor games, walking, hiking, or even gardening, these activities help improve cardiovascular health and boost our immune system. How can we incorporate more outdoor time into our lives? It starts with making a conscious effort to prioritize nature-based activities. Schedule regular walks or hikes in nearby parks, or plan weekend getaways to explore new natural landscapes. There are so many options to take advantage of what is available to us. It really doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. Something as simple as taking a walk during your lunch break or enjoying some time outdoors after work or the end of the day can make a real difference. Plan weekend outings to nearby parks or plan vacations that allow you to immerse yourself in natural environments. Disconnecting from digital devices during these excursions allows us to fully surround ourselves with the great outdoors. Mother Nature really does offers us a free multivitamin for life that can benefit our health in many different ways. Getting out in nature is more than just a leisurely activity. It is a way for us to reconnect with ourselves, recharge mental health, improve our physical fitness, and enjoy the other countless advantages that Mother Nature has to offer. So next time you have a chance, make it a priority to step outside into the great outdoors, your mind and body will thank you in many different ways. In conclusion today, I will leave you with a quote from John Muir. In every walk with nature, one receives far more than he seeks. It really is so true. Thanks for your time, and make it your limitless goal to be the best you can be.